Let's play Down in the Valley. I played in the key of C, so you'll need your C chord and your G7 chord. Make sure you're familiar with those and comfortable moving back and forth between them before we get going. This is a waltz, so we're going to have kind of our count of little 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But notice I'm strumming just on the ones, right? And that's important because as we build our chord pattern is going to be kind of 8 big beats of those little 3-beat groups. What I mean is this. I'm going to start with 4 big beats of C and then go to 4 big beats of G7, like this. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, switch to G7, 6, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. Second line, we'll do the same thing. They've just swapped here. We're going to go G7, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, switch to C, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. And you can stick to those straight strums or you can join me on a strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch to G7, 6, 7, 8. Next line, G7, 2, 3, 4, back to C, 6, 7. Here we go. Down in the valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow. Verse 2, roses love sunshine, violets love dew, angels in heaven know I love you, know I love you, dear, know I love you, angels in heaven know I love you. Back to verse 1. Down in the valley so low, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, hear the wind blow, dear, hear the wind blow, hang your head over, hear the wind blow, and on C. Lovely.